Bangpae Waterfall. This thing better be pretty sweet because it's expensive. It's like 400 baht per adult and 200 per child. So for 6 of us, 4 adults, 2 children, it's $55. That's a lot to go to a waterfall.
Hi, little walker boy.
Well, it's beautiful in here.
Yeah, it is very pretty in here.
Got a little snack stand over here to your right. They do have some nice bathrooms here. Well, they look nice on the outside, so that's good. Anybody gonna get wet today?
Probably. She said it's nice swimming.
Good.
Sissy said she's getting wet.
I don't like when I can't swim in the waterfall. It's like
I can swim
pointless.
in the waterfall.
You're gonna swim?
Yeah. Look at the stream. It's pretty. Look how nice they got the picnic tables all set along them.
This is a nice trail.
There's a waterfall.
Ooh, there is. Yes, there is. Big old tree that's went down.
No, maybe that one is from the train monster.
Ooh. Pretty sweet so far.
Yes, it is. Beautiful.
Oh, look at that big tree.
First little swimming hole. Wow, that's a big tree.
Look at all the bark falling off of it. That's crazy.
So someone on the internet was complaining about not being much of a hike. Enough of a hike for me. We're also carrying tons of stuff, so maybe that's why. Coverage, but it's still steamy, huh? Are we in a rainforest?
Well,
Oh yeah.
I think we all got 40 pounds that we're carrying.
What do you have there?
A stick?
He has a piece of green tail.
Ooh, it's steamy in here. Is that gonna be the Wickman's Life pool?
Maybe. Right about now, I could go for a dip. Oh, look at this
Oh, that's so
firefly
cool.
landing on Araya.
Araya, you got a friend.
Go ahead, girl. Bring us together, girl. Woo! A stink. Yeah. You're a rock climber.
In your hand.
Go.
Here. Go to the top.
Is this cool?
That's very cool.
How's that feel? Refreshing? Yeah. That's the best thing about a waterfall is when you're hot, you've been hiking all the way to it. Once you get in that water, everything changes. Your mood changes. Start having a good time.
Oh, I just spotted a massive crawdaddy or walking shrimp or something. Dad's trying to get a video.
Dun, da, 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 they call me Waterfall Boy. And I have a cape.
Say hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. We saw lots of
Where'd Ryan go?
butterflies. Did you tell Mommy we had a butterfly land on us?
What color?
Orange and black.
No way.
Beautiful too.
Oh, it's on Pop's head.
Yeah, that's it.
Come close to me. Come closer. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. If we were back home and I found this thing would be coming home with us. Look at this.
That's really cool, babe.
I'm tempted to put it in your board bag.
My nose! There's my nose! There's my nose!
I think we're gonna have a little lunch, guys. Make some PB&Js and take a little break. Well, the last stop was the humpback whale capital of the world, and this is the butterfly capital of the world. Having a little lunch break, guys. Everybody worked up a nice appetite.
Yeah.
Thank you for the sandwiches, Mom.
No problem.
We wouldn't be able to hang out these places half as long if we didn't bring food with us. Definitely the key, because as soon as you get done, you're like, I'm all refreshed, ready to go again. Hey, kiddos. Coming.
Ready? Ready? Set. Look, up there. That's a big one.
Nice. I wish we'd see a butterfly here.
Those are all butterflies here.
There is? I haven't seen any.
There was.
Oh, there was?
Look.
Oh, there it is.
Right at that very moment.
Why'd you hit me with the right hook?
You're so cute.
All right, I want to go swimming, so we're gonna check out this swimming pool right here. So funny.
So that was literally just Xander's stick, and I hit it, broke it in half, and he threw it down there, and now it's a little water spout.
All aboard!
Put my baby in my baby pouch. My big baby.
Pretty relaxing walk back, huh?
Yeah, nice.
You know these two places, haven't you?
I would say we'd stop, but there's other people, and I don't really want to invade their privacy.
I agree. Hello. Caught that on the cami. Grandpa about went down. You guys rinsing off that fresh water in that saltwater pool?
Yes.
Nice.
I'll tell you this. It feels a lot warmer and a lot more comfy than that waterfall did.
All right, let's go ahead and rate this thing. How was it, guys?
I would give it a 7. I think it was very nice. It was a very dramatic waterfall, and it was a really fun walk up, a little nice hike, and I think it was cool.
I'm gonna give it a 7.5. I think the walk was nice. I think the water was clean. The park was clean. The waterfall itself was small, but it was still really nice. And yeah, I'm gonna give it a 7.5.
The waterfall?
Yeah.
I thought the waterfall was a solid 8.5. Dude.
Nice.
Yep. We had a lot of fun. Ryan got to swim in deep water in a little pool, and we saw crawfish.
Oh yeah, forgot
And
about that. That's
some
cool.
nice crawfish too.
All right, Raya's turn.
All right, Ryan, you're up.
10 out of 10.
Why?
I got to swim.
It was beautiful, and she got to swim. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment below, and here's a link to another one of our adventures. Phew!